Hi students, today we learn about light's tricks. We use mirror on daily basis, which reflects. Now we need to know that how do reflection and refraction work to produce light tricks. Have you noticed about the image formed in a plane mirror? How that image produced in a mirror? Here is the answer: it occurs when light bounces off a surface, such as in a mirror. When discussing light and its behavior upon striking a surface, three key components are often considered: the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal. Understanding the incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal is crucial to grasp the concept of reflection in optics. Reflection makes it possible to create this zigzag pattern using laser light and mirrors. Why do images become distorted when we use curved mirrors? Let's study about the two types of mirrors. Number 1, curved inward, and number 2, curved outward mirrors. Mirrors that curve inward can make objects look bigger, smaller, closer or farther away than they actually are. Mirrors that curve outward create images that appear smaller and farther than the actual object. Now we move to frequently asked question, which is that what happens to light as it passes through glass blocks. Here you see that light is being passed through prism. This picture clearly shows that refraction makes it possible for glass prisms to change the direction of light. At the first surface, when light enters the prism, it moves from a less dense medium, air, to a denser medium, glass. This causes the light to slow down and bend towards the normal, an imaginary line perpendicular to the surface at the point of incidence. The amount of bending depends on the angle at which the light hits the surface and the refractive index of the glass. Inside the prism, as the light travels through the glass, it continues in a straight line until it reaches another boundary. A prism creates a spectrum of colors through a process called dispersion, which involves the separation of white light into its constituent colors. Here's how it works. White light, such as sunlight, is composed of multiple colors, each with a different wavelength. These colors include red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. When white light enters the prism, it moves from a less dense medium, air, to a denser medium, glass. This causes the light to slow down and bend, a phenomenon known as refraction. The key point is that the amount of bending depends on the wavelength of the light. Different wavelengths, or colors, of light refract by different amounts because the refractive index of the prism material varies with wavelength. Refraction of light is the bending of light as it passes from one medium to another with a different optical density. This change in direction occurs because light travels at different speeds in different materials. The phenomenon of refraction is governed by the principles of wave optics and can be described by Snell's law. Key concepts in refraction: 1. Change in speed. 2. Bending of light. 3. Snell's law. That's it from today's lesson. Hope you understand it well. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe this channel. Thank you.